parsnips, cooked in a spicy vegetable broth. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking an underrated vegetable and making spiced Tunisian style parsnips. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Pour water into a large pot and bring it to a boil. As the water heats, peel and chop parsnips. Once boiling, add parsnips and cook 6 to 8 minutes. Take a second to give this easy vegetable recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other recipes using root vegetables. If you like what you see, subscribe below so you know when we release new videos. Drain the parsnips. Over medium heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Chop onion. Add onion to the skillet. Cook until translucent, 3 to 5 minutes. Mince garlic. Stir in garlic and cook 1 minute. Add harissa sauce and dried spices. Combine and cook 1 minute. Pour in honey and broth. Separate cilantro leaves from the stems. Mince the stems and add them to the skillet. Combine. What root vegetables do you like to eat? Tell us below in the comment section of this video. When the liquid reaches a low boil, add parsnips and gently combine, cooking 7 to 10 minutes, stirring halfway through. Remove from heat and transfer to a serving bowl. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This helps our channel grow. Roughly chop cilantro leaves. Garnish parsnips with chopped cilantro. Spicy and delicious. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.